Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power to the wireless pad. Put the car in accessory or ignition on so the charging pad receives current. You should remove thick cases and metal objects because they block charging. Once cleared, place your phone on the pad aligning the center. Make sure your phone supports Qi wireless charging. This step prevents mystery failures later. If the pad has an indicator light, watch it to confirm it powers up before proceeding to pairing or placement adjustments. Now you focus on placement and stabilization. Place the phone so its center coil aligns with the pad mark or LED. Slight shifts can stop charging. If the Gloster provides a rubber tray or grips, use them to prevent movement during driving. Once positioned, avoid running heavy apps that heat the phone and reduce charging efficiency. Make sure the screen is in standby or locked to lower power draw. If the light shows charging, you're receiving current. If not, adjust alignment slowly. Finish by verifying the phone displays the charging icon and the pad LED indicates active charging. If it doesn't, reseat the phone first, then try removing the case again. Once done, restart the car electronics or check the accessory fuse if power stays absent. Make sure there are no magnetic mounts or credit cards near the coil, and keep your phone's firmware up to date for compatibility. If problems persist, visit a dealer to test the pad circuit and replace a faulty module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.